Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a shortcut that's going to help you delete all the unwanted photos. So if you want to delete all your unfavorite photos like totally then you can check out my other video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to delete unfavorite photos from one particular day. So how it works is just you can copy this and ask Siri to run the shortcut and it will delete it. Otherwise you can just click the photo and you can select share and you'll find your shortcuts available in the options below. Here you can see organize and delete photos. That's the shortcut I made. So it will ask you if it can delete the remaining photos. So you can either select delete or you can just ignore. If you ignore, the shortcut is going to stop running. Okay, so let me show you another example where it actually works. So just select randomly, select one image and give it organize and delete photos. Now I'm going to select delete. So you can see from the behind photos were deleted, and now you can select to add it to a new album or an existing album. Now I'm going to select new album. So it will ask you the name of the album that you want to create. So I'm going to just give hello. So now an album is created and all these photos are saved up there. So here you can find that album. Hello. You can select and you can see all the favorite photos are grouped together. So it will only like group the photos and not videos and not shortcut. I mean not screenshots. So you can always change it here. So first click plus in your shortcuts and basic form will be appeared. Now you can see in the right side you'll find these options. If you are using your iPhone, you're just going to find it from that logo. If you tap that logo, you'll find these options. So first you can tap left side, and if you tap that, you'll be able to rename this. You can also tap that logo to change the color and the icon. So I'm searching something randomly. So it's done. Now we are going to add the widgets. So first, if you see in that info page, this page is really important. So first you can select the show in share sheet. Only then it will appear like you select and share. You can find that here, right? That's because of that option. So keep that on and then you'll get this input sheet right here automatically. So now we are going to add some widgets that we are going to use. Go to this search bar and search for get details. So mostly we are going to work with the photos related widgets. So search for get details and you'll find this get details of images. So tap that and it will be automatically added, or you can just drag it. So select that first one and select date taken and click the second and shortcut input. It's just like it is. So first one is ready. Next we are going to filter those photos. So search for find. So you'll find this find images. Sorry, find photos. So you tap that and you'll get one like this. So date taken will be automatically added. You can just tap it and you can add. So first we are going to add a filter where album is recent. This is so basic. So you can either add this or not. It's like not so necessary. Next, add another filter. In this filter, we are going to filter it based on this date of the image that we copied or shared. So if you want to delete the given thing, you can just long press it and select, and you can click this magic variable and it will automatically show you the options. So from there you can select this date again. Now I'm going to add another filter, and this filter is going to be for it's not a screenshot. Sorry, it's not favorite. So select that and add another filter. So it can be of any order. So now I'm going to select it's not a screenshot. Next, I'm going to make sure that I have the image type. Okay, so add another filter. From the select media type is image. And select this where all. Okay, you can also select any, but in these conditions you have to give all. so that all these conditions will satisfy. So next we are going to delete these images that we grouped. So because these are all the unwanted ones, so select delete and delete photos. It will automatically be added. If you want, you can just adjust the place. So next what we are going to do is, so you can also like drag it. Okay, so next we are going to group the remaining photos that is on our favorite list and group it to new album. So for search, find photos, like again, first time we filtered ones, now we are going to filter the remaining ones again. So click find, sorry, search find photos and tap that, you will get it here. So once again we are going to filter it based on date taken, the variable, just like that. Above box we are going to do it again. So long process, you will have this date taken option, so click that. Now we are going to add one filter, album is reasons. Alright, yeah, got it. Next, another filter, date taken. Tap that long press it and you'll get this option, date taken on data. This second date taken is a variable, okay? So next, add another filter, is favorite. Next, album. Sorry, click this album and we're going to change it. Wait a second. We're going to add is not a screenshot one, and that's it. These are the thing, and make sure that where all the conditions should be satisfied. So next we're going to search for grouping this. So we're going to add a menu for this, like we're going to give them menus for to check if they want to save it to an existing album or new or whatever. Okay, so first tap the menu and you'll get this right here. Now we can select like given a thing like organize your photos, and then you'll give these options. So that's what I'm writing there, organize your photos. You can just write whatever you want, so you'll have all the options. You can create as many as you want. So first option, I'm going to give save to new album. Second one, save to existing album. And the third is going to be like skip, so nothing's gonna come under that. So once you're done typing, and now you'll have these menus at the bottom also, that you can add your widgets whatever you want to do when you click that menu. Okay, so now here in the search column again we are going to search for create album. So create photo album, tap that, you'll get it here. So in the album name, you can position it like drag and position. Okay, now this one is for new album. Okay, so click this album name and you'll find this variable called ask each time. So we are going to get the input from the person, so I click that and text will be set automatically. So with photos variable, like from the photos that we filtered, so select the photos. Next option is save to existing album. So with that first statement, we have created an album and stored it. So next is save to photo album. So tap that and you'll find these options. Drag it and keep it in the position, or you can directly drag it also. So save, in the input we are going to select photos to reasons. Instead of reasons, you can also ask each and click ask each time, so that it will get input from the person. Like it will show all the album names and they can select from the albums given. So tap that, long press it, and you'll find the option ask each time. Automatically it will give you this album thing, so that you'll get an option. So next for skip, there's nothing. So that's it guys, your shortcut is now ready to deploy. Okay, so done. There's one more thing. Go to this input statement at the top and click continue and select get clipboard, so that you can copy and call the shortcut through Siri. Next, click this info page and go to privacy, give access to photos. So that's it. Now you are done. So first you just try it a demo, make sure that everything is correct, and then you actually delete the stuff that you want. So that's it. Now you can use it whenever you want. I'll also make sure to share this shortcut with you all. You can directly, instead of creating all this, you can directly download and have it on your phone. So I'll leave the link and the further details on the description, so make sure you check it out. Okay, make sure you follow, because I'm also going to like make some additions to this, like select copy two image and pass it, so that you can also delete it from like 2 to 3 days.